What's up, guys? I was finally able to load the videos down from my iCloud backup. It was quite a few videos, 5, 6, like 30-minute long videos. They take forever to download. I was using my iPad at first initially, but then it said that the storage was full, so I couldn't even work with that. And then I started using my iPhone, but the iPhone takes forever to load them down from the cloud. So I was having a hard time trying to get all these video files compressed into one. But I finally got it, thank Lord. But let's go ahead and jump right into this one. On over here, what you're seeing is just me cutting a hole on the side of the quarter panel. Just a big hole, like a window, so I can see behind how bad of the damage I'm looking at and what has to get repaired and whatnot and what's in the way. But it's pretty straightforward. I just grab my air chisel with my chisel that just cuts through the panels. And I just went all around following the lines of the quarter panel. As you can see right here, this is where it comes off. Boom. I just smack it around and then throw it on the ground. Bam. Time to start cutting some more. This was actually it was a door skin and a quarter panel replacement, but I only recorded the quarter panel because the actual door skin that I skinned, I recorded a car previously, my first door skin video, and it was actually on the same car but the front door. That's why I didn't really record this one, because it's the same car, just a different owner, different color too. But anyways, right here what you're seeing is me grinding the spot welds down, all the spot welds that are holding the quarter panel down in place. And I'm just making sure I get every single one of them, you know what I mean? I don't want any being stuck to the panel, because it makes it harder to remove afterwards. So I remove those. Then I start going up around the pocket, the taillight pocket. And it has quite a few, actually. I don't know. I think it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like 10 just around there. And this is what I was talking about, guys, about my phone not being able to get everything in the picture. Even though I use the wide lens on my cell phone, it's still kind of hard. But over here, I switched to the top part, to the top inner part where the trunk goes. And I grinded down all of these welds. It had a lot of spot welds all around this vehicle. I thought it was like, some don't have as many as this, but this one had quite a few. And as you can see here, I'm just cutting through them with my air belt sander. I love this tool because it goes handy in hard to reach places. I might make a video of what's in my toolbox, so you guys can see what I use at work to be able to do all of this, what I do at work, and at least to give you guys a picture of like the essentials of body work, like what you need to get some of this work like done. But over here, I'm just prying apart the spot welds that I recently grinded down. I'm using my spot weld chisel, the one that just removes the points. And then keep in mind, if you forget to grind down a spot weld, don't go and try and hammer it with the air hammer. You have to go back and regrind it and then hammer it again, even if it's just a little bit, or if you just completely miss one, because then you're gonna start damaging the panel from the back instead of just the top part that you're trying to remove, the skin. So you gotta be very careful and just watch what you're doing. But as you can see right there, it just comes off. Then I went back to the top and did the same thing. I removed the panel from the top. It's all pretty straightforward, nothing too crazy. Then I went and we got the back glass pulled, and I started grinding down the welds that it has behind the back glass. This thing has most cars have like welds all around the car, so you're gonna have to want to grind those down. It usually has like more than 50, I would say. That's just kind of like a guesstimate. Then after that, I went to the all around the edge inside, and I got these two. And then you're gonna see me mask off where I make my section cuts, and then this is where I'm gonna cut and weld the new panel that's gonna be put on here. But that's pretty much it, guys. I didn't get me putting the new panel on the car because, you know, I was having trouble, like I was saying. But that's pretty much it. You know, I'm going to go ahead and cut this off. I'm going to show you this is how I section. I just go ahead and follow the tape and make a nice clean straight line. And I do the same at the bottom. And then I remove the panel. And then I put the other panel on and get it ready. Then I put the other panel on and get it, what do you call it? I square it with this one and make sure there's a nice gap so I can weld straight through across it. But that's it. And that's about it. You know, I'm sorry for missing some of the footage on this car, but I'm telling you, I was having a super hard time just loading the video. So now I'm just gonna record with like a different device and have that has an external memory, so I can just transfer it to my laptop and make it way easier to access the files and be able to actually load the videos and be able to edit them. But this is pretty much it, guys. This is me just prying the panel apart. You know, always make sure to use wear gloves, because these panels, man, they'll cut you up like nothing. I actually have a picture. Oh, this is my happy dance. I'm done right there. Woo! I actually have a picture of my dad whenever he got cut. Maybe I should put it up, but I don't know. I'll probably get flagged by YouTube. But that's it, guys. Then this is all the body work when all the body work was done, ready to go to paint. You know, looks pretty good. And this is it. This is the finished product. We're still waiting on the back glass to get put back in. But that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to leave feedback and let me know what you guys think. Thanks.